Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Tesla window not closing or just not closing properly. Now this is the official Tesla manual, and what you're going to need to do is you are going to need to calibrate your windows when it behaves unexpectedly. Now to calibrate it, all you need to do is close the door with the affected window. Just sit in the driver's seat and close the driver door. And then while you're using the window switch on the driver's door, you just raise the affected window until it stalls, right? And then using the window switch on the driver's door, lower the affected window until it stalls. Then you just repeat step 3, which is this one right here, and you raise the affected window until it stalls, and now the window should be calibrated. If the issue still persists, by the way, after you attempt this calibration procedure a couple of times, you'll actually need to contact Tesla, and they can assist you further. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.